Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, honorable judges, respective opponents, and everyone here. Today, I strongly support the motion that this House would give social service and skill training for gambling offenders rather than imprisonment. I define gambling offenders as those involved in illegal gambling activities. And I believe that instead of sending them to prison, the government should provide social servants and professional skill training. My stance is punishment without correction is meaningless. Rehabilitation is the key. Our first argument is rehabilitation. Sending people to prison does not change their behavior. In fact, many offenders return to gambling after being released. Skill training gives them a chance to start a better life. Second, this policy reduces overcrowded prison and save government's money. Maintaining only one prisoner costs thousands of dollars each year, while social servants and skill training are cheaper and more productive. For this reason, I proudly propose that social servants and skill training replace imprisonment for gambling offenders. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.